Hi guys, this is Rowan, aka the Human Voice Box, here with another sound effect that you can use on your film. This one's going to be a machine gun sound effect. So if you're doing a film where someone's firing a machine gun at a bunch of arachnid scum, you're going to need some machine gun noises to go with it. So let's do the sound effect. And don't try this at home because you might actually shoot a gun and hurt someone. So I'm doing this in a safe, controlled environment. So just let me do this, and I'll be the one in danger, and you guys will be safe. So I'm doing a lot for you guys. So here's the sound effect, and I hope you find it useful. Whew. Something got mowed down bad there. Thanks for watching, guys. Cheers.